construction update. Hello, friends. Well, when I was tilling the garden 2 days ago, I apparently knocked something loose that was creating a leak with the hydraulic oil. So, this morning, I went down and bought some hydraulic oil from Atwoods. And I thought I had fixed the leak. So I put the 2 gallons of hydraulic oil in and did not see it leaking. Started doing some chores and was successful on doing some of those chores. If you saw day 1 of the construction update, the goat pen construction update, I had one pile of these pallets. Thank goodness, brain's working today. Now I have a second smaller load of the pallets. So I was able to move those over. And I was able to get the tiller off of the back of the mower. And then I noticed that when I took the tiller off that I had sprung a leak. And boy, when it started going. And so I fought with it, and I think I have it now stopped again. We're going to find out in the morning. The wife and I went down and got a couple of containers, 2 gallons apiece, 4 gallons total of hydraulic oil. So we will shoot again on putting the hydraulic oil into the garden tractor and see if it holds this time. Now, I no longer need the tractor to do what I want to do out here, but it drives me bananas when something is not working correctly on the tractor. So hopefully we'll have this fixed. So the goats are still in a small pen right now. And I hope to get out here first thing tomorrow morning when it's cool. Because snakes don't come out when it's cool, right? We'll be all right, right? You think so? Ah, I think so too. Okay. So hopefully we will take these pallets and I will take this fence down here and remove the fence, take the pallets and lay them in the weeds, and step on a pallet, put another pallet, and work my way over and move that first gate over. Then repeat that on this side, move that one over, and let the goats have their way with the shrubbery. Cleaning it up, cleaning it out. Eventually I want to get all the way down there to that, I guess it's a telephone wire, electrical wire. Not a post, but a pole. If I give it time, thoughts do come out of the brain once in a while. So the construction update isn't much of an update for today, but I will call this day 1. Maybe I'll call it day 2. Day 2. I will call this day 2 of the goat pen construction update. I have decided once I'm done putting those pallets to use out there, I will pick them up and replace this nastiness in the pen with the pallets, and hopefully it will look good. That's the goal. This is Alfred. Alfred, do you agree? Alfred's a good dog. We got Alfred from a shelter last year, and he has been an awesome dog. Daisy was our golden retriever we had for good night 12, 13 years, a long time, and she got sick and passed on us about 1.5 years ago. Hopefully also I'll start doing better, getting more things recorded, taking you through the whole process of life in Oz. Oz 1. Put them together, you get ozone. We may be trading baby goat for a female. I asked the wife if she wanted to see if we could just buy the female and keep baby, but she thinks that maybe baby needs to get away from Big Brother, who seems to be bullying him all the time, so she may be right about that. And Weirdo Beardo sure does need a female companion. You goats are super fast. Ta-da! Okay, my friends. I'm gonna wrap this up. Hopefully I'll have a video of actual work being done out here. See you tomorrow.
Baby, bye, bye, bye.